Okay. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my third intro film this year. Me and my fiance went to the junkyard to film a video. It was absolutely busted. There's absolutely nothing there new, so that was a bust. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. I know I'm not really making no special video for it right now, but I just wanted to say I never thought I was gonna make it this far. I am super stoked that we have made it past 1,000, but now we are at 4,000. Hopefully we can reach our goal 5,000 this year, but if not, that is totally cool because I am so grateful for what I got right now because you guys are just amazing. You guys have been around for 2 years, the OGs. Some of you guys are new, but that's alright. You're still technically OGs because we are still such a small channel, but just wait for the future, guys. It's gonna be lit. So, we got Reaper right here. And I got called out by Derek about putting the lip on it. And as he commented that the same day I ordered the lip, I literally ordered the Magic Drift chin spoiler right as, like, a little bit before he commented that. So perfect time on commenting that, but it has been a long time coming, man. I've had this bumper for quite the time now without a chin spoiler on it. And I know a lot of people's going to hate on Magic Drift because you put an OEM chin spoiler. I'm like, but everybody wants to do that. That's not me. I want to be different. So I got Magic Drift. I've been waiting for this to be in stock. Every time I looked, it was always out of stock. That's why it's been so long since it hasn't had a lip on it. They would have had one a long time ago if they've been in stock. But you guys know, these things buy out or sell out like hotcakes. So here we go, guys. Also, one more thing, Hot Licks, as you guys saw probably my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. It's my previous video before this one. I have a flamethrower kit where my car can shoot fireballs out of it, and it can really shoot flames without it, but you know, it adds a bit of a bigger flame. So if you want your car to shoot flames, definitely go with Hot Licks. I am currently sponsored by them. I have my own discount code right here. It's literally just Reaper with all caps. It'll save you some money on buying your kit, and you can make almost any car shoot flames, as long as you don't have cats. I mean, if you have cats, it will work, but you will lose your cats after the first 3 times because it will blow them right out. So yeah, if you want your car to shoot flames, use that discount code. Pick yourself up a flamethrower kit. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up. Only took like an hour or an hour and a half, I think. Actually, an hour and a half, yeah. So it's pretty easy to install. Well, let's drop right into this installation of this Magic Drift chin spoiler, which is not going to be much really. Time to unbox this baby. I know these things are notorious for fading. Oh, it's even got hardware with it. Sweet. Yeah, but I know these things are notorious for fading, so I'm gonna have to think about adding some ceramic to this thing, which you can buy a CMX ceramic made just for plastic trim like this. And there she is, guys. This is gonna look so good. Decided to pick this up a day later. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. I can't really record the process. I will put like some of a tutorial, but I do know with the Cobra lips, you gotta cut out the chin spoiler just a little bit. I will show you what that looks like when we're done. But we're about to put this in here now, and we're going to slap her on. Kind of an idea on what it looks like. Yeah, put a few holes, I guess. Now we're going to head to her mom's house real quick. Then we're going to head out to the highway and get this thing cleaned up. I done cleaned up the interior, which was a little bit overdue. It smells fresh. It's sad seeing this dad out on a Friday night. All the peoples went to H2O up in Ocean City to get their cars impounded. screw getting impounded. It's not worth it. Looks like my boy Wyatt is here. Guess we'll pull over there and see what is going on. What are you doing in my car in here, are you? That's some nice looking drugs you got there. Sorry for picking this up a day later. Dual Highway was dead last night due to everybody being at H2O. But this is the last car show of the year here. So, we're gonna check this out. I think they're giving out candy, so but I'm not gonna take any, of course, because I'm not a kid anymore. We're gonna go grab some food real quick. Then we'll come out and check all these bad boys out. That is $2,000.
Nah, I think mine are better.
Ambers. That's a big boy, Kenny Bell. This is Super Snake. Oh, that's probably a factory blower then. I'm not sure though. I don't know much about Super Snakes. People in the comments, guess what that is. Alrighty guys, picking this up a few days later, and I know this video is coming out super late. I missed a whole week of uploads. I missed Thursday. I apologize. The lip came in super late. I was expecting it to come in earlier. I had nothing to film prior. I tried going to the junkyard expecting something interesting out there. It was literally boring. There's literally the same thing there was last time we went. We was looking at the same junk. Nothing changed. It was just boring. I didn't want to give you something super boring. But the lip came in a little bit too late, came in on Thursday exactly. I was going to try to install it real quick, but it got dark too quick. I just didn't have time to do it, and by the time I would have installed it, it would have been 7 o'clock, which is the time when the video uploads. But I'm just deciding to upload this on Tuesday. So, I apologize for the inconvenience, but I'm trying, you know, to keep the content back up to normal. But let's just say, this lip looks freaking sick, and right now we are aired out. Literally, can't even fit a leaf under there. Jesus, I didn't even think I was that close. But yeah, literally no finger space. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the thing that I gotta get used to again, is having a lip. But just imagine guys, if I get on bags, whoo! We can just air out like that all the time. That would be sick. I wish. But yeah, guys, that's the Magic Drift chin spoiler. I do got to add some kind of protectant to it because I know these things are notorious for fading and turning white. And I know a lot of people are going to hate on the Magic Drift chin spoiler. You're going to say you should just put OEM or a Cobra style lip on it. I'm not paying no $300 for a lip that's just going to get beat up. I'm going to pay $60 for something that looks kind of like a high-end splitter, but not really. But you know what? I don't care. It looks good to me, and yeah, I'm happy with it. So Magic Drift, since that, I don't know how you pronounce Osmer and something. The dude's a Blue Mach 1. What about if we just replace him since he went off the radar? He's like completely gone. You guys are still using his car. Use good old Reaper for your poster. I'm telling you, she is a beautiful supercharged 2-valve that will love to have some attention. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.